can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the king of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin. Over the last 1 month, Bitcoin is up 13.8%. Over the last 1 year, Bitcoin has seen a 58.1% increase. Bitcoin currently trades above $108,000. We have seen Bitcoin get to as high as $112,000. The million-dollar question is, how high can Bitcoin go in the coming days and the coming weeks? As Bitcoin topped, are we just in a retracement rally? This was an echo bubble. Should we be expecting a huge dump to gobbling town? We look at Bitcoin valuation against the US dollar, Bitcoin valuation against the Japanese yen, Bitcoin valuation against the euro, and we'll also check Bitcoin valuation against the pounds. Then we look at Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market has been dumping. What will that mean for the price of Bitcoin? We look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market. We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Let's start with the price of Bitcoin. Currently trading above $108,000. Bitcoin has gotten to as high as $112,000. That's now the all-time highs for Bitcoin. But guys, worrying signs across Bitcoin price chart. Bitcoin got to all-time highs against the US dollar, $112,000. We're all shouting kumbaya. The previous all-time high was around $109,000, where we got to on the 20th of January 2025. That's when Donald Trump got into office. We'll take a look at Bitcoin valuation against the Japanese yen. We have not gotten to new all-time highs. We just got to the all-time high region. If you take a look at Bitcoin's valuation against the pounds, we didn't get to new all-time highs. We just got to that all-time high region. If you take a look at Bitcoin's valuation against the euros, we didn't also get to new all-time highs. So why do we get to Bitcoin? Why do we get to all-time highs against the US dollar? Market participants are speculating that it's because we have more dollars in circulation. Market participants are speculating that the Fed is already doing unofficial QE. But guys, I believe we're just having a retracement rally. Remember, we are expecting Bitcoin to rally to as high as $99,000. That's US dollars. I was not expecting us to get to new all-time highs, but this cycle has been a crazy cycle. We have seen institutions going all in. And according to Elliott Wave, this is a cycle where we're supposed to see institutional complacency. So over the next few days, over the next few weeks, I'll be expecting a dump in the price of Bitcoin. If you take a look at what Bitcoin has been doing since 2024, since March of 2024, we saw the momentum peaked since then. Even though Bitcoin has been setting higher highs against the US dollar, Bitcoin has not been setting higher highs on its momentum indicator. That's a worrying sign. That's a bearish divergence. And even the recent all-time high Bitcoin set, which was in May of 2025, Bitcoin's RSI failed to also set a new all-time highs. That's a troubling signal. And if you take a look at Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market over the last 3 years, 2 to 3 years, Bitcoin dominance has been in an upline. Bitcoin dominance has been pumping to higher values. Basically, since when the market bottomed in September of 2022, Bitcoin dominance has been rising, going from as low as 38% in the cryptocurrency market, getting to as high as 65% in the cryptocurrency market. But guys, I believe we're about to see the trend change. We saw a dump in Bitcoin dominance on the 7th of May 2025. Since then, we've seen Bitcoin dominance go down by 3%. At the max, it was down 5%. I expect to see a huge dump in Bitcoin dominance over the next few days and next few weeks. My target for Bitcoin dominance for the end of the cycle will be around that 54% region. I believe Bitcoin dominance dumping is a signal that we're waiting for to confirm that the cycle is over. Right now, Bitcoin has had a wonderful ride from 2022 September. We've seen Bitcoin go from as low as $15,000. Bitcoin has rallied to as high as $112,000, a 600% move. Over the last 1 month, we've seen other altcoins doing better than Bitcoin. Bitcoin is just up 13% over the last 1 month. Ethereum is up 50%, Aave is up 59%, Pepe is up 61%. Zcash and Quant are up over 40%. So action is in the altcoin market. Action is leaving Bitcoin, and that's why we can see Bitcoin dominance gradually giving way. The next few days, you see the drop will be rapid. It will be rapid and drastic. You start hearing calls of alt season, yada yada yada. Bitcoin's market cap sits above the $2 trillion level, guys. Let's just take that in for a second. Bitcoin's market cap sits at $2 trillion. This time is not different. We can't keep going on forever. If you look at Bitcoin's price chart on a larger time frame, you will see that Bitcoin has had huge times of price appreciation. Also, we also have bearish times when we dump to gobbling town. Now, we don't go up forever. Even in 2017, when we thought Bitcoin eventually continue going up forever because of how well it expanded, Bitcoin's market cap went from $2.23 billion, guys, to as high as $320 billion. Bitcoin's market cap went up by 143x. What happened after that? We still had a bear market, and from 2015 we have seen Bitcoin's market cap go from $2.2 billion to around $2 trillion, more than a 929x return. Bitcoin can't keep going up forever. At some point in time, a huge dump is coming. My own theory goes Bitcoin gets gearing up for one big dump to get market participants scared, and that big dump is going to carry Bitcoin's market cap down below $300 billion. Maybe we'll even get to as low as $250 billion. That's not going to be appreciated right now. Market participants are excited. Sentiment in the market is nice. There's greed in the cryptocurrency market. So you expect market participants to be scared, but no, market participants are expecting us to continue pumping to higher prices. Remember, we're supposed to buy low, we're supposed to sell high, but anytime we get high, market participants continue buying, thinking to continue going higher, and that's why this time is not different. Liquidation is also increasing in the cryptocurrency market. The last 24 hours has seen more than 97,000 traders getting liquidated. Bitcoin is accounting for more than $61 million worth of those $297 million worth of liquidations. Let's take a look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin Analyst says Bitcoin price peak in 220k to 230k region still possible. A unique Bitcoin price model forecasts 220k to 330k before the end of 2025. That's what you expect when we're near the top. When we're near the top, you expect to be seeing outrageous price predictions so that market participants won't sell. But guys, this time it's not different. If you have held through the chaos, if you have held through all the noise, through all the tariff noise, the ETF noise, you bought Bitcoin down at 15,000, at 100,000, at 600% profit, there will be some good times to take some profits off the table. Even though we go higher, even though Bitcoin goes to $300,000, that's just 3x from here. A lot of market participants right now are expecting huge multiples from where we're currently trading, and I believe those gains will be made in the altcoin market. For now, Bitcoin has either topped or we're very, very close to a top. Bitcoin's 120k epic mic drop rally sets after US court blocks Trump tariffs. Swyftx analyst Paul says wall of money is coming into Bitcoin after US court blocked Donald Trump's tariffs. Guys, do you believe that will happen? Do you believe Bitcoin is going to have a huge rally to the upside as the court says Donald Trump tariffs are illegal? Do you think money is going to be pouring into Bitcoin, or will that lead us to a huge dump to gobbling town? Bitcoin in pivotal zones as potential consolidation looms this week is absolutely crucial, says Willy Woo, who cautions that more consolidation could be ahead for Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been trading above $100,000 over the last 1 week, which has made market participants, even though they're excited, they're expecting higher prices. They're expecting $140,000, $180,000, maybe even $300,000. But guys, with Bitcoin dominance dumping, that might be telling a different story. Bitcoin dominance dumping historically has signaled the end of the cycle. It has signaled market participants are going full risks on because they have seen Bitcoin do its own thing. They want to get those gains from the altcoin market. So I'll not be shocked to see Bitcoin's price maybe getting to as high as $115,000 over the next few days. There's shouts of new all-time highs, but those shouts are not as loud as before because many market participants don't have a lot of Bitcoin in their portfolio. They were scared of. They saw Bitcoin going to $70,000. They saw Bitcoin going to $50,000. They have seen so many shakeouts right now. They are waiting for that elusive all-season pump, and that's where I believe the action will be. But right now, Bitcoin is still the king of the market. Bitcoin dominance is still at 63%. Over the next few days, we'll be paying close attention to it as Bitcoin might lose dominance, even though it might increase in price. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you buying more Bitcoin right now? Are you rotating into the altcoin market? Or do you believe Bitcoin will still be going to the moon? $100,000, $200,000, $300,000. Where do you think Bitcoin will top this cycle? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications. Get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.